morning to our lecturer
Cia binti Abdul Razak.
and to my fellow friends. Today we are going to present our group case study. Before we start, let me introduce my group member. The first presenter is Nur Shakira binti Sani. The second presenter is Hanis binti Zulkifli. The presenter is Muhammad Faris. Fourth presenter is Muhammad Azahir binti Toro Amali. And the last presenter is Nur Wahida binti Zahari.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Today we will present about cryptography. So, what is cryptography? Cryptography is the process of converting ordinary plain text into unintelligible text like coding text and vice versa, which means from coding text into ordinary plain text. This method of storing and transmitting data in a particular form, which means only for those who learn and study about cryptography can read and process the data. This method also can protect our data from theft or unalteration and also can be used for user authentication. To make it simple, cryptography is like a padlock that can protect our privacy. We move to the next slide. Example application of cryptography in daily life, like our own banking transaction card, our computer password, and e-commerce transaction. Based on three examples, what I can say is application that we need to log in by using a password or something like a code. That's all from me. We move to the next slide.
Let's move on to problem statement. Amirah lives happily with her family back then. But since her father lost his job and doesn't have any income, this results him to be really stressed out as they have a lot of things that needed to be paid off, such as car payments, utility bills, and so on. And because of this, her father becomes more aggressive and ended up being an abuser. Amirah feels scared about her father's behavior. Amirah wants to make a police report about her father, but she fails to do so because she has been threatened by her father. One day, she finds one man that can help her, a man named Faris. Faris knows how to read cryptography. So, Amirah wrote a letter in matrix and sent to Faris so that he can help her to lodge a police report about her father's behavior. The question is, can Faris really help Amirah and end her misery?
Okay, in order to identify the meaning behind this ciphertext, firstly, we will inverse the encoding matrix given to get decoding matrix so that Faris can use it to decrypt the ciphertext and find out the meaning behind it. Okay, in order to inverse the encoding matrix given, firstly, we will write down the encoding matrix on the left side and then the identity matrix on the right side and then separate it with a straight line. Then we will use ERO or elementary row operation on the both sides so that we can convert the left side into the identity matrix and the right side will become inverse encoding matrix. In this case, we will focus more on reducing the left side to become reduced row echelon matrix. In order to achieve that, firstly, we will multiplying R1 with negative 1 over 3 so that we can get the first leading one located in the first row and first column. Then, we will eliminate the row below that leading one by R3 will minus with 4 times R1. The result will be 1, 1, 4 over 3, 0, 1, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 4 over 3 on the left side, and then negative 1 over 3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 4 over 3, 0, 1 on the right side. Then we will identify the second leading one which located in the second row and second column. Then we will eliminate the row on top of and the bottom of that second leading one which located in the second row and second column. By R1 will minus with R2 and R3 will plus with R2. Then we will get 1, 0, 1 over 3, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, negative 1 over 3 on the left side, and then negative 1 over 3, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 4 over 3, 1, 1 on the right side. Next, we will make the third leading one which located in the third row and third column by multiplying R3 with negative 3. We will get 101 over 3, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 on the left side, and then negative 1 over 3, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, negative 4, negative 3 on the right side. After that, we will eliminate the row on top of the third leading one by R1 will minus with 1 over 3 times R3, and R2 will minus with R3. Then the result will be identity matrix on the left side, which is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 on the left side, and then 1, 0, 1, 4, 4, 3, negative 4, negative 3, negative 3 on the right side. We can see this that we successfully reduced the left side to become identity matrix, which means the right side will become inverse encoding matrix or name decoding matrix, which is 1, 0, 1, 4, 4, 3, negative 4, negative 3, negative 3. That's how we get inverse encoding matrix.
Okay, finally we get the inverse encoding matrix. But how we want to know the plain text that Amira write? Here is the solution. We need to multiply the inverse encoding matrix with the shifted text to get the plain text. The first step after we get the plain text is arrange the number according to the column. So the number are 19, 9, 18, 8 until the last number is 18. After that, we assign a number for each letter of alphabet. For example, A is 1, B is 2, C is 3 until the last is Z is 26. We have number 27 because the space of between two words. Then we have to translate the number into words. Here how to translate. Finally, we know the message that Amira write. Sir, have made a police report. My father is an abuser.
For conclusion, we know that the number that represent Amirah message need to multiply decoding metric. That was the inverse encoding metric to get back the plain text. So based on the event, we know that the cryptography is very excellent choice for security related work.